Hi guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to my channel. So it's gonna be like a very random kind of vlog, like a random day in my life. So basically, I'm going out with my mama. She has some work outside, and I was like, I am also gonna go because I have some work as well. So basically, it's kind of very casual and nothing very important or fancy or something. So basically I'm trying to vlog, I'm trying to be consistent with my vlogging things because as you know, I'm very inconsistent with my YouTube videos, like Instagram videos as well. But I'm just trying to be consistent on both the platforms. So yeah, I'm just going to get ready. And I have put on the outfit which is very casual, like wait, let me show it to you guys. I have literally stolen my brother's t-shirt and I'm wearing that right now. And you can literally see how casual things are. And I just want to vlog the raw and, unfiltered day in my life. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So basically, first we're gonna do some work that my mama has, and then I'm going to buy some flowers because as you can see my vase is empty. But my mama was actually telling me that let's get fake flowers because real ones are really hard to maintain during monsoons. They literally get bad in 2-3 days. So yeah, it's like a very maintenance kind of thing. So I was also thinking, like, let me get some fake flowers for that vase, and for the little one maybe I'll get some real roses or maybe some other flowers, that we will see. And also we have to get some other stuff done, like some other things. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along the entire day. So it's currently 11:30 right now. I'm gonna get ready quickly and I'll take you guys along with me. Also, while getting ready, I'm gonna finish the green tea that I have made 30 minutes ago, and now it's literally room temperature water, like green tea water. And I love having my drinks on this beer cup because I don't drink, and this is the drink that I prefer. So yeah, I love my beer cups basically. गाइस लेट मी नो, तुम लोगों को ग्रीन टी पसंद है या फिर कैमोमिल टी पसंद है. आई लाइक कैमोमिल टी ऑल्सो, बट आई थिंक green tea is very refreshing and all. Chamomile tea is very soothing and all. But yeah, I like my herbal teas. I'm not like a coffee person. I'm not even like a matcha person. Like matcha for me is very 50-50 kind of thing. So I'm literally a herbal drink kind of person. I am in love with my herbal drinks. I love this टेंट एंड यू कैन सी कितना कम अमाउंट में मैं लगा रही हूँ. दैट्स बिकॉज लाइक I actually don't have a mood to apply makeup, and anyway it's kind of very casual day out with mama, so it's fine. I'm just gonna apply little. I just don't like going out during monsoons because I just don't like that sticky feeling, and the humidity is so much. It just, give me that ache. But anyway, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि कभी ना निकलो घर से. Yeah, I'm gonna just apply this much only. After the tint, I'm gonna apply this lip gloss. This is from Blur in the shade chocolate brown. you guys, I just love this combo. This is so cute, and I don't know, whenever I wear this combo, I get so many compliments. And also, this goes really well with all my outfits, like Indian, Western, whatever. Like, as you can see, I'm literally wearing the casualest dress ever, and you can see it's going so well. Have these kind of spoolie. I got this from Meesho, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I've got this from Meesho. It comes in pack of 6, and it's of really really good quality. So I think that if you know I personally think that if you do your brows nicely now, it gives you a very nice and put together look. So yeah, that's all for my makeup. I'm not gonna do any accessories other than my watch, because if it starts raining, all of that's gonna get wet, which obviously I don't want. Also, I was thinking to tie my hair. For perfume, I'm gonna use this one from Bella Vita. It's Honey Oud, and I absolutely love this perfume. This is so good, you guys. So yeah, I was telling that I was thinking to tie my hair, because anyway it's gonna go bad if I just leave like this and go. So okay, let me see. I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this only, because if I tie my hair, my face is gonna look so big. Anyway, it's looking so big today, so yeah, I'm not gonna, make my face extra big. Mama is calling. Okay, so that's how I look like. Very simple, casual. Like, I've just applied a little bit of tint, and mama is ready. I'm gonna go now because we are already late मेरी vlogging के चक्कर में. But anyway, we are just going to head out right now. So let's go. बस जा ही रही थी and I saw this uninvited guest. But anyway, let's go. कुछ देर पहले and we were so late कि I did not vlog after that, but I have vlogged while eating. I mean, I just showed you guys what I was eating. So yeah, I came back home, I had lunch, and I got a little freshened up, changed, and then I am here. So basically I'm going to rest for a bit, and after that घर की पूजा है. So basically today is Guru Purnima. So happy Guru Purnima to everyone. So yeah, basically घर में पूजा है पूर्णिमा की, तो वो होने वाला है कुछ देर बाद. तो अभी तो I am free. Also, I got my package delivered like this one. See, so I ordered like 4 stuff from Plum's birthday sale. So Plum की birthday sale चल रही है आज, and that's the biggest sale that they have. I think पूरी एक साल में बस उनका birthday sale ही होता है. So yeah, मतलब इतना बड़ा बॉक्स देने का कोई मतलब नहीं था, बट दे हैड सेंड इट. सो एनीवे आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. मैं उतना ज़्यादा प्लम की प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करती थी पहले, बट देन वंस आई यूज्ड एंड आई गॉट होक्ड. सो आई रियली लव देयर बॉडी लोशंस एंड फ्रेगरेंसेस. लाइक दे आर सो गुड एंड सो डिलीशियस. शायद मैंने अपनी कोई पहले वाली वीडियोस में भी आप लोग को बोला है कि आई रियली लव प्लम के फ्रेगरेंसेस. So yeah, I've got 2 fragrances and I mean 2 body mist and 1 body lotion and 1 hair mask. I love Plum ke hair masks, so yeah, they are so good and so hydrating. So yeah, I just got those products and I also got some freebies. So yeah, I'll show you what all I got in the Plum sale. So it's a mini haul time. So obviously मैंने पहले ही खोल लिया था बॉक्स को. I can't wait, of course. So these are the products. That I got. I mean, I obviously ordered for myself. So पहले तो I haven't tried this body lotion, so I thought कि sale चल रही है and I have got like a discount of I think 150 या फिर 160 रुपीज़ का कुछ डिस्काउंट था. And also it was on a buy to get 2 sale. So yeah, I have ordered 2 and got 2 free. Girl math. So anyway, this was their very viral body lotion. It's their marshmallow melt body lotion with shea butter. And मैंने इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है. I mean, I have opened it but I did not use it. So let me actually give a first impression in front of you guys. निकलो भाई. Oh, it's here. It smells like strawberry and chocolate, if I'm not wrong. Wait, it's like very lightweight, जैसे vanilla caramello का था. I really like that one also. Like that was so good. The smell was so good and it was so lightweight. But yeah, the consistency is pretty same. It literally smells like that I don't know, like it's not natural, but it's like strawberry and chocolate kind of smell. Not bad, but I don't love it. It's fine, it's good, but I don't love it. So I really love the vanilla caramello body lotion, but I think this is pretty average. But the lotion is fine, but the fragrance is pretty average. Okay, now moving on to the hair mask. This is Plum's Avocado Nourish Up hair mask, and I have already used 1 tub of this hair mask and I've restocked another one. So it's like very classic and OG. My hair loves it, so yeah, it was like a restock for me. And then I've got Vanilla Caramello body mist. The packaging is so cute, like literally feels like इसके अंदर ice cream है. But okay, this is how the mist looks like. I love it. Like it's so edibly wala smell, like edibly. Okay, the smell was very edible. Okay, like I hope you got it. And then after this, one of my most favorite fragrance from Plum. After like I used to love vanilla vibes, but then the moment I smelled vanilla, like smoke and vanilla, guys, I was sold at that point. I was thinking to get perfumes again, but then I was like, let me get mist. क्योंकि I don't know, I feel like for some reason perfume से ज़्यादा mist last करता है Plum का. I don't know what is the logic. क्योंकि technically the perfume should last more than the body mist, but then I feel like the body mist last longer. तो मैंने दोनों ही वेरिएंट के बॉडी मिस्ट्स मंगवा लिए. This is so good, you guys. Like, I love it. I love it. This is such a, night fragrance. And I mean, this vanilla caramello is such a day fragrance, and vanilla, like smoking vanilla, is literally a night fragrance. And if you like very spicy kind of fragrance, then smoking vanilla is the one for you. And then if you like very edible kind of smell like cakes and cookies, like a bakery, then vanilla caramello is the one for you. Both the fragrances are my absolute favorite, so I just could not resist. I got 2 of them. And then I have 3 freebies, like these 3. So first of all, I have their plum. First of all, I have this rice water and niacinamide clear moisturizing gel. And then I have, this is a sunscreen. Okay, this is the sunscreen, so cute and so travel friendly. Next, this is like a duo thing. So you get the glass icy duo. It has pores tightening and brightening skin toner, and it has 5 layers of hydration wala essence. So guys, just look at this tiny bottle. Oh my god, can you see it? I mean, this is so tiny. It is their vegan snail mucin. I was actually thinking of trying this out, but then I got it as a freebie, so now I can try it without any hesitation. And this is so tiny, so cute, like it's so cute. And then this is their rice water toner, niacinamide rice water toner. It's so cute as well. So yeah, both are the combo pack that I've got. So that's all for my Plum ka haul, freebies. And they have also given this bag. ये इसके अंदर था. So okay, that's all you guys for the Plum haul, like a mini haul situation. But anyway, that's all I got from Plum this sale. So फिर भी मुझे मम्मा से डांट पड़ी, like I got so good discount. But इस बार मम्मा ने उतना ज़्यादा नहीं डांटा, इस बार पापा ने ज़्यादा डांटा है, because he was collecting the parcel and it was cash on delivery. So yeah, anyway, that's all. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा I'll just scroll for a few minutes, and then I'll go for the puja, and I'll take you guys along with me. So again, after literally 4 days. I started the vlog saying that it's gonna be a day in my life, like just a day, one day in my life, which now is few days in my life. So backstory, so the day I was filming, it was Guru Purnima, and after that I literally got sick, like इतना sick कि मैं मतलब बिस्तर से उतर नहीं पा रही थी, इतना बीमार हो गई थी मैं. I don't know how, but I was vomiting and इतना गंदा माइग्रेन हो रहा था मुझे, everything at once. But now that I am all good, like अभी तो I am all fine, एकदम ठीक ठाक, touch wood. So yeah, I was just filming a video for you guys, and I just got done filming, and I love today's look so much. Like, I'm going to show it to you. Wearing silver jewelry, I love silver jewelry, and I love this color on me. Like, what do you guys think? Yeah, so basically I am just done filming a video for you guys, and I'm gonna show you the mess around. Wait. Okay, so literally look at the mess. There, there, there. Like, this is the place where I was sitting and making videos. So just look at the mess, you guys. She is Ella. Say hi to Ella, you guys. I've literally got a new dress for her. So cute. And this is me. I have done all the mess and I literally have to get everything cleaned just now. ठीक है, तो वीडियो के बाद कुछ ऐसा लगता है मेरा रूम. And yeah, I'm going to clean it. I know, a little TMI, and also please ignore the background noise. I can't do anything about it. And yeah, तो ये जो मैंने पूरा घर फैलाया है उसको मैं अभी क्लीन करूँगी. And yeah, then I'll meet you guys. So I finally cleaned my room, changed into comfy clothes like घर के कपड़े, and also removed my makeup, but only with, you know, micellar water and not a face wash, because I am so sleepy and I'm so lazy. I'm so tired. I'm not telling you guys to, you know, follow whatever I'm doing, because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुकी हूँ. And because I woke up really early today and I did a lot of work, and अभी ज़्यादा देर भी नहीं हुआ है. It's like literally 9:30 right now. But yeah, फिर भी I am so sleepy, but I need to do some work as well. So I have already done my dinner, and now I'm just going to do some other work, and yeah, call it a night. I just wanted to come here and end the vlog because ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही hodge podge हो चुका है. That is the reason I don't, you know, film ऐसे random vlogs. But anyway, it's like a, you know, new experience for me, for you guys जो भी देखेंगे ये vlog. And I know कि इस पूरे vlog में कुछ भी ऐसे, you know, informative या फिर मज़ेदार कुछ नहीं हुआ. But yeah, next time जब भी मैं vlog बनाऊँगी, I'll try to, you know, make something मतलब कुछ share something informative with you guys, and also कुछ मज़ेदार करेंगे हम भी. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, so that's it for today's vlog, you guys. Did you guys meet Ella? I forgot to tell you guys that I got this really cute dress for Ella. Basically her name is Ella. So yeah, I don't know, I feel like Ella smile करती है. I mean, not in a bad way, but in a good way. What do you guys think? एक जैसे दिखते हैं ना, like round face. The smile is also pretty similar. But yeah, हम एला को वापस रखते हैं and मुझ पे आते हैं. So yeah, so मैं अपनी व्लॉग्स, मतलब मैं अपने वीडियोस में कितना ज़्यादा सो ये सब बोलती हूँ. ओह, मैं एक और बात बोलना भूल गई कि हर वीडियो पे आपको एक चिड़िया की आवाज़ आती होगी, है ना. एंड वो मोस्टली जब भी मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ तब वो ज़्यादा और मतलब बोलने लगता है. सो बेसिकली आई हैव अ पेट हुज नेम इज़ पोपो, और वो एक बेबी बर्ड है, ग्रीन चीक कॉर्न्योर. सो मतलब उसका ब्रीड है ग्रीन चीक कॉर्न्योर, और उसका नाम है पोपो जो हमने रखा है. सो या मैं वही बोल रही थी कि पोपो का क्या है ना, वो अभी लाइक अभी भी वो छोटा ही है. एंड ही इज़ जस्ट 7 months ओल्ड. तो मैं उसको वीडियोस में नहीं दिखाती बिकॉज आई रियली बिलीव इन नज़र एंड ऑल. तो मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करती जहाँ पे उसको कुछ नज़र लग जाए, एंड आई जस्ट डोंट वांट एनीथिंग बैड टू हैपन विथ हिम. तो बेसिकली उसको बहुत ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट है मेरे से, एंड व्हेन एवर आई टॉक और मेक अ वीडियो ही टेंड्स टू टॉक बैक. अभी तो वो सो रहा है क्योंकि इट्स रियली लेट एट नाइट, तो वो रात को सो जाता है, उतना वो नहीं बोलता है रात को. बट या ही इज़ लाइक अ सुपर एक्टिव बर्ड. अभी तो मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी, बट सम डे आई विल मीट you guys. Like, I mean, I'll let you meet Popo, okay, not me. So yeah, मैं वही बोल रही थी कि हर वीडियो पे मैं ये बोलना भूल जाती हूँ कि ये आवाज़ें कौन निकाल रहा है. So that is that's just Popo talking back whenever I am talking. So मैं उसको नहीं रोक सकती. And even though I use a mic, और मुझे लगा कि वो बहुत ही अच्छा वाला माइक होगा, बट इट टर्न आउट टू बी सुपर बैड क्वालिटी. लाइक, और इट कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 3K ऑल्सो. लाइक फॉर अ बिगिनर आई थिंक 3K का माइक इज़ अ लिटिल टू मच, बट एनीवे अब हो गया, इन्वेस्ट कर दिया है. एंड मतलब ये बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ उतना कैंसिल नहीं करता है, बट डिस्टेंस से जो आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड करने का होता है वो कर लेता है. लाइक अभी तो मैं माइक से बात नहीं कर रही क्योंकि उसमें चार्ज नहीं है, शूटिंग ना, तो दैट्स वाई इसमें चार्ज नहीं है. बट या दैट्स दैट. तो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ मेरी माइक कैच कर लेती है. सो या आई एम सो सॉरी, बट आई कांट रियली डू एनीथिंग अबाउट Popo talking back. So please bear with me and Popo. He is really cute. एक बार आप लोग उससे मिलोगे, एक बार उससे आप लोग मिलोगे ना, तो आप लोग को भी वो बहुत क्यूट लगेगा क्योंकि he is literally my जान. तो yeah, that's something I really wanted to share बहुत टाइम से. एंड ऑल्सो यू गाइज कमेंट करके बताना कि आप लोग को क्या वीडियोस और देखना है, और मेरी कौन सी वीडियोस आपको अच्छा लगता है, और कैसे टाइप के वीडियोस आप लोग देखना चाहते हो. सो इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर मी टू, एंड आप लोग के लिए भी बेनिफिशियल होगा क्योंकि इट्स अ कम्युनिटी. बेसिकली आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी इन यूट्यूब जहाँ पे हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट करेंगे अपने आप पे, मतलब एक दूसरे के बीच में. सो या दैट्स दैट. ये सब कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें थी जो मुझे आप लोगों को बताना था, आप लोगों से बातें करनी थी. सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ व्लॉग यू गाइस. काफ़ी लंबा और काफ़ी हौच-पौच सा व्लॉग हो गया है, बट आई होप आप लोग को उतना भी बुरा नहीं लगेगा. सो या विद दैट we are towards the end of today's video, and आज की ब्लॉग मैं इधर ही ख़त्म करती हूँ क्योंकि और मैं उसको खींच के लंबा करके उसको फिर खिचड़ी नहीं बनाना चाहती. सो आई विल मीट यू गाइस इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. until next time, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye.